Okay, here is a Lennox T-Class central air conditioning unit at a newer commercial building in my town. Currently not running. And there's 4 of these units at this place. There's 3 more down there that I'll check out momentarily. But yeah, here's this one. It's not running. This is from 2017 and it's a 5-ton. It has an interlink fan motor. And has it been on? Yeah, it has been. And then here are 2 more units. I'm gonna guess that these are the same, I think. 5-ton from 2017, yeah. And then here's this one. Not been running. Tells 17 5-ton. Yeah, I think these are all the same thing. I'm gonna guess that these all have LG compressors. But I don't know, I could be wrong. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of these new units at this new place. This unit came on right after I was done filming. This actually sounds like it might have a Copeland scroll compressor. But yeah, not 100% sure. But yeah, nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.